So I have some really good news for you. Have you been looking to build a kind of custom home? Maybe it overwhelms you a little bit about everything that can be involved in it, but you love the idea of kind of building the home the way you like it? Great news for you. My name is Tanya. I'm with Homes by Sam and Tanya in Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage. Today, I am in a David Weekley home in eTown called the Riverside. And this home is kind of build it the way you want it. It can have as little as 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, all the way up to 6 bedrooms. Lots of flexibility here. It's literally a build it as you want it floor plan. Starts at about 3,000 square feet, can go up to roughly 3,300, and the base price is just over $500,000. Very exciting for all of you looking to build custom but are kind of scared of the price tag involved. Also, this community is in Jacksonville, right off the highway. It's still a lifestyle community. It offers you a pool, a fitness center, a yoga lawn, and even a rooftop patio that's BYOB. Again, my name is Tanya Kazmini. I'm with Homes by Sam and Tanya in Florida Homes Realty and Mortgage, and we are simplifying real estate.